What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. The worms ate right through the middle of that paper towel. It's kind of neat. Oops, still got a little bit of asparagus here. Oop, the sweet potato. There's a piece of asparagus. Oh, my sweet potato leaves, they're not looking as spry as the last time with me burying them. Oh yeah. Oh, another little worm ball on the sweet potato. Oh, jeez. Won't be able to get the worm off. Come on, little buddy. Okay. Well, with them still having a decent amount of food, I'm actually not going to feed it this week. But I will add a little bit of worm chow to the top. Cover them all up. Whew! It's like extra fine. Let's see how this lower level's looking. Oh. Let's see. Oh, I see a worm right here. Okay. Nothing underneath. Okay. Well, hopefully the next check-in, they'll have some more of that food ate up in the middle, and then I can give it a nice little feeding again. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. Basically, like this one, there was a decent amount of food still, so I didn't want to feed it. There was only 350 worms in here when I started, so I'll give them another week to try to consume the rest of that food in the feeding area. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.